Ah, shit, my game crashed.
No way.
Oh no, I just hit Alt Tab because I was trying to make OBS work. I give up. I just don't want to deal with it.
Oh, come on.
That's the order of the day.
It won't work.
Whoa.
You can approach Merryweather's
I give up.
positions from the front or the back. On land.
Ow.
I see you.
Sorry, I was looking
Yeah,
at the mini-map.
Who's driving me?
Every time I crash into a car like that, you can guarantee that I'm staring at the mini-map.
Oh no. It's a little intentional sometimes.
No, that was not intentional. I tried to avoid that one.
Expect armed patrols, sniper units,
Jeez,
and
that
response.
was glitchy.
Best shot is moving.
You're gonna see the map or the thing on
What's
that
guy
one.
doing?
He wanted to fight because I hit him.
3 gun placements. Minigun positions if there's anything to
Wonder
shoot
who's gonna
at
fly.
seagulls.
I'll do it.
Okay.
I don't think so.
No, I'll do it. I'll do
No.
it. I
That's
got
fine.
it. I got it. I got it. Well, I mean, I'm gonna
He's
get there
got it,
first, so
yeah.
you know.
I still caught co-pilot.
You know what, John?
Oh! Shoot him!
Are you guys fighting cops or what?
No, idiot that pulled out in front of me.
Oh, it's like kind of down there.
Train.
We're getting out here. I'm just waiting for them to come in.
Yeah. Was a guy hitting us?
What do you think would be in a vehicle like this? With the mask.
Press G to equip mask.
Actually, it's left directional button.
Alright, here's where we
Already
start.
starting to. Should I? Yep.
Oh!
I think you could just. Oh, we have to go in the warehouse.
Oh, there's a helicopter.
Heal
Oh.
up. Heal up.
Yep.
Nope, sorry.
Shoot.
There we go.
Oh, that's our team.
Going
I'm
in.
getting out.
To the left. Is he outside? He's outside. Are we supposed to be in here?
Nope,
No.
not in
That's
this
a
one.
bathroom.
You know, if you got diarrhea.
Bye-bye.
Ethan just wanted a bathroom break.
Yeah.
I'm super
That
slow
car's
'cause
gonna
I've got.
explode.
Which one? Oh, that one. Yeah. So slow 'cause I got heavy armor.
I have no armor.
Okay, stand
One
by.
shot.
Stand by. Out of the way.
Whoa. Okay. That's cool.
Push it up. Push it up. Ooh, I'm getting hit. Oof. Cover to cover. Cover to cover. Ow.
Okay. Going in.
Going as fast as I can.
Ouch. Ooh, I have a... Why did I have a shotgun? I don't know.
On this side.
Then got in a car.
Got him. Double tap.
Pushing in, pushing in.
Oh, there's a med kit in there. I can't see anybody. I'm just shooting to shoot.
What the? It didn't break. Okay.
Jeez, you guys.
Okay. Oh, he's up top. Got him.
I didn't do much on this run. I couldn't see anybody.
Shield's blowing up. I'll take that to mean you've made contact.
Nope, he's dead.
What the fuck, man?
Stop. Doing that shit, Ethan.
I want to uninstall this game. I just can't handle my speed. How do I get to y'all?
You in the car?
No. I'm outside.
Where is it? I can hear him.
By the forward.
Oh shoot! I didn't mean to shoot that.
These are all gas tanks, by the way.
Rest manning the guns.
Got him. Where's the other guy? I can hear him.
Ow! He wasted
God.
me.
Oh, there were 4 of them right there.
Biff Parsons died.
Mm-hmm.
That was like a one tap on me.
No,
See,
it
that's
was
what
more
happened to
like
me,
just
bro.
more of that. You'll see it in a second of mine. You were running right in front of me, and then.
Yeah.
Oh, we're back in our normal clothes.
Not me.
I
Why
am.
is that?
I am too.
Okay, you guys really
Okay, well,
Really
I'll take the
slacking a little bit
helo.
here.
If the helo comes, I got it.
See where the hell are we going?
All right, you can take my bike.
Oh, it's just right there.
It's fine.
Where are we supposed to go?
Oh,
It's just right down the road.
Oh, wait for me.
I almost hit you.
Go.
just running there.
Bro, we can stealth in there.
Helicopter.
Okay, getting out. Oh, I'm getting shot. Yeah, okay, where's the helo? Okay, I see the helo. I'll take it. Give me a second.
I hear it.
Got it.
Get a job.
What's that?
I sneezed.
I think you did a little more than that.
Okay, pushing up this way. Bounding.
I was here. I'm gonna die because Rob took the cover.
I can only shoot in front
I
of me,
don't
so I
see
gotta
that guy.
switch the. I gotta rearrange myself.
Oh, that's Mark. Mark, I almost shot you.
Don't worry. Point is, you didn't.
I'm running.
Bounding up. Ow. Moving up.
Wait, to the right, to the right.
Got him. Pushing up. There's a guy to our left. Ow, I don't know where I'm getting hit from.
Let's see. Oh, is it back there?
Ow.
Watch left.
They're behind.
Behind us,
Like
but I
right
can't see him.
I got him.
Yeah.
Meriwether's channel's blowing up. To mean you've made contact.
Yep.
Yeah, we made contact like 20 minutes ago, bro.
That covering fire wasn't very good.
Move on the chopper. One
Okay.
flying, the rest manning the guns.
Watch out. There's 3 around this side. There was. Oh, where am I getting? Oh, he's up there. Got him. And he almost tore me up. Yep, somebody get in.
Three helicopters.
They've dispatched air units. Point and pull the triggers. You cannot bring bogies back to us.
I'm at azimuth limits.
You're at what?
As limits? Like I can only look a certain way. So Ethan, if I say go right, that just means
But not many feathers, if you get me.
you,
It's well armed with barely any armor. Pilot, keep the other helos at a distance. Gunners, make your shots count.
Make your shots count as we're just blasting
Flak.
anything.
it's too much. It's on the side. It's behind us.
Y'all just tell me.
It's behind us.
It's down.
So you can turn either right or left.
Who the hell's shooting?
Not me. The helo is going to be off our starboard side somewhere.
This thing's kind of slow.
Yeah, it's right behind us. Like legitimately right behind us. I can't get a shot. We have to destroy him though.
Yeah, you don't want to run away from them.
So just tell me which way you're gonna turn. Yeah, that one's down.
Still got one.
I got two.
Yeah, they're both really far.
Okay, we got one about. Oh, which way are we pointing? So we're gonna have two coming in low right. Okay, start turning right, Mark.
Is that good?
Got him.
There you go.
Okay, to your left, port side, port side. Oh, there's more. There's a couple more coming in.
Nice.
Got him. Okay, you got another one off our nose.
Don't see him.
No, just keep flying. He's coming in low. He's a
That's
little
it.
lower than us.
Nice.
Got him.
Ooh.
Okay, yep. Okay, I see him. He is dead ahead north, low. He's about there. If you can see, should be able to see him
See him.
coming in. I did not take him out that round. One of the boys wants to get him. I lost him. Gotta zoom out.
It's right in front of y'all.
There you go.
He dead.
Nice.
All right, let's shoot the freeway.
That's it. Clear skies. Good work. My people are waiting to babysit
Or the prison.
just north of the LOC. Drop it and you're done.
Good grief.
Yeah, didn't Rob and John spend some time in prison?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. So how many more missions we got? This one and one more?
This one, then there's one more, then I don't know if there's a finale.
I'm gonna have to get up.
We've collected quite a fleet for this op. The light armored personnel.
Oh, that looks cool in the water.
Now the attack chopper. Looks like you're almost with them. Bring the chopper down easy. You don't want to mess this up now.
Joy.
I'm clearing the area. There's Charlie everywhere. Charlie in the trees.
Oh my gosh.
Probably don't want to blow ourselves up either.
Probably not.
Guy.
Yeah.
Just destroy all their shit.
Got it from here.
God, I look fucked up.
Even whenever you're not, you do.
Boom, got him. Roasted.
Shade.
Boom. Roasted.
Oh, that was the setup. I got bronze.
Rob got that
Rob
platinum.
platinum again.